in a Paddington station, waiting to go to Windsor. We're just waiting for our platform to show. We're going to get a train from here to Slough, change from there to then to Windsor. That is the quickest one, and it's gonna take us about 28 minutes to get there. So yeah, this is our train here, going to Slough, well, going to Didcot, and we're changing Slough. And this right here is the quickest one. You can get 28 minutes, and we're in Windsor. Yay! Alright, so we just arrived here in Windsor and Eton Central. That was so quick, the quickest ever train you can get from Paddington station to Windsor. Just one stop in Slough, change, quick change really, just across the station, the platform, and then the next train is there waiting, and we're out. So here we are, already in Windsor.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive.
Yeah, that's Windsor and Eton Central Station. That's where we are now.
Just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away.
Yeah, so you just get out the train station and the castle is just right in front of you, right here. Wow, looking magnificent. There's a lot of people. Oh my days. Are all these people waiting to go in the castle?
Possibly, yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Gee.
So busy. Wow.
Here. Well, I think we'll never make it there.
Of course we'll make it. Our entrance is at 2 o'clock, our ticket. So we can't go in there yet. But we're going to for the boat ride. We can go for the boat ride now. Yeah, it's unbelievable the amount of people queuing up there. Our ticket to tour.
So basically King Charles owns all these flats.
Yeah, the royal family. King Charles and
Queen Camilla.
Yeah, and the relatives. The princess, prince.
I'm sure Queen Charles and Queen Elizabeth lived there as well.
Yeah, she loved here. This was her main home. Oh, so there's a change of the guards taking place right now, and that's why there's a lot of people over there. I didn't know what was happening. I thought there were just lots of people queuing to go into the castle. Shall we go to the boat now? Oh, super good. We were lucky to see that, weren't we?
We would have missed it.
Yeah.
Hey, look at these soldiers.
We were actually gonna miss it. Look,
yeah. They're soldiers.
Yeah. Okay, so I think our boat is here. So yeah, this is the French Brothers boat tour that we're gonna use, but the next one is in about 20 minutes. So we're just gonna wander about the river a little bit and then come back later. Yeah. That is lots of swans.
Whoever tries to attack, they can calm it off and start packing.
Yeah. So this is Windsor, guys. Welcome to Windsor. We are by the riverside at the moment. So beautiful, nice and cool, calm day. Yeah, so it's 11:30 and our journey is just started with the French Brothers tour, boat tours. Just started bang on time, which is pleasant. I don't like being late. And look at these swans. They kept on following us. The swans and other birds, just because people throw food in the water, so they follow the boat to get some food. You can buy food and feed them if you wish. So yeah, we are now facing the direction of Oxford, and the whole journey takes about 40 minutes, 20 minutes to the point where we turn around, and then 20 minutes back. It's so beautiful, all the scenery around the tour. This right here is where we turn around, and when we turn around, the boat faces the direction of London. It is said that the boat will take about 2 weeks to get to London from here, but who would want to do that? Not me. I wouldn't want to spend 2 weeks on a boat going to London. Anyway, I enjoyed it so much, and I think everyone did. And along the way, there's great history, lots of things to learn. The water around here looks a little bit dirty, greenish, but it's said that it's that way because of some living microorganisms, and really it's not dirty, it's deceptive. Yeah, it's a natural carrying sediments of microorganisms, they say. This is the other boat by the same company, the French brothers, going towards Oxford now. We are now facing back, going towards London. Yeah, so many things to see along the way. I recommend this definitely to anybody. You know, come to Windsor and take a boat. It's not expensive. Right now we've come to this house called the Mill House, and during the 1970s this house was the home of British actor Michael Caine, and he said that he later sold it to Led Zeppelin star Jimmy Page in 1980, who later also sold it to someone else in the 1990s, but then again bought it back a few years later, and after a short time sold it again in 2008. What an interesting story. Just look how beautiful it is. Imagine waking up in the morning, coming and sitting there on a beautiful day, enjoying a cold drink or a cup of tea. I would love that. Yeah, that is so beautiful. And this side around here is the oldest part of Windsor, known as the Plural Village. Wow, I was blown away by the beauty of this place. I wonder how much it costs to live here now, to own a property. It must be billionaires only, millionaires. I think Elton John as well lived around here at some point. So this boat tour is, I think, every 15 minutes, every half an hour or so. If you wanna book one, you can book online, and also you can buy the tickets in the ticket office. The prices are the same really, but yeah, it'd be nicer if you came early like we did, and it's not overcrowded in the boat. You get a seat of your preference. Yeah, that is very, very recommended, because after 1 o'clock, after lunch time, a lot of people then go on the boat, because people, this is one of the major activities for many people. Leave London or wherever, go to Windsor, check out the Windsor Castle, travel to Eton College, check out the college, and also do a boat tour. So it's rather very popular. So I would recommend, if you want to do a boat tour, start with it first when you arrive in Windsor, be done with that, and then do the rest of the other things, unless of course you enjoy being in a huge crowd. So you get a fantastic view of Windsor Castle from here when you're just about to get back. Look at that. Yeah, so amazing experience. Very well worth it. And here we are. Thank you so much for joining. We are coming to the end. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and all that if you enjoy the video. Bye.